Well, hey guys, with it being so hot outside, one of the best things you can do is always have a little portable fan with you, especially if you're going to be at the ball field like we are all the time, or if you're working outside, or if you're just hanging out by the pool and you want to cool off a little bit. This is one I highly recommend you check out. This was sent to me to check out. Super excited about it. A couple things I want to point out. Number one, it will, see that collapse all the way. So if you want to put that in a bag or a purse, or if you want to take it to the beach, this might be something that we're going to do. Take it like this, really small. All you have to do is charge it up. Comes with a little charger, just Type-C charger there. It's really easy. You can lock it back in, and then you could even do it any other way. So if you wanted to sit like this on the, your desk once you're blowing on you, you can do that. Really easy to take it anywhere right there. But you're going to turn it on with this little slide right here. Just slide it up. You can feel it going right there. It has readings right here on the front. You can see, I'll show you a close-up, but you can see it right there on the front. Close-up, it tells you what percent it's on. So it goes from 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. And so you can see it blowing pretty good right there in my face. Really nice. And then also, let me turn that down so you can hear me. Also, it shows you the percent of battery left, so you know how much you got left. So if you're going to be at a game or something like that, you're going to, you want it all the way to 100, but you can't always have it there. So you can turn it back down to last the entire game, which is, the hope and the goal. One of the cool things you can do about this, they have a little strap here. So you can wear this, however you want to do it. You can wear it, and then you can even connect this to it so it can blow on you, which is, again, another great option for that. There's multiple different ways you can, but one way I want to show you, you can see it around here on the bottom. It has a little clip. When you pull the clip, the bottom opens up. So you can stick that in there. We'll stick them in like this, and then clip in, and then you are good to go. You turn it back around, and now you can hold it if you want to do this, or you can even set it right here and let it blow, and it's gonna again cool you off, and that way you're able to just let it sit there and rest on you, and it's able to again cool you down while you're hanging out watching your game or whatever. So you just want to make sure you clip that on there correctly, and then you can again just blow it on your chest, or like I said, you can set it on your workplace like this. If you want to set it down while it's blowing on you, you can do that. See right here, while it's blowing on you, set it down. That's really nice. So again, if you're gonna be working somewhere, whether it could just be in your office, whether you have like a little cubicle, you could do that, or if you're gonna be at the ballpark, ball field, do that. You can clip it onto stuff. So again, if you're camping, you can clip this on to stuff up there. Now you have a little ceiling fan, you can do that. Or if you're just outside, you can hang it, put it somewhere, hold on to it, whatever. So really cool options with that. Again, I like the easy to use right there, easy to move around. Move this however you want. I think that's really cool and maneuverable. And again, if you want the holder, you can do that. But I like that you can hook it to different stuff. So again, if you're on the ball field, you can hook it to the fence, do that kind of stuff, or whatever you're going to be doing. So really cool option on that. It's really strong as well. Blows really hard. And again, I've had a bunch of these. I actually have a couple of them in my little pack right here. But I really like this one. It's bigger. It's going to last longer. Again, I like how you can fold it up, put it wherever, and you can take it with you. We're probably going to take this to the ball field and the beach when we go as well. I think that's definitely going to be something we're going to use. So if you're interested, I will have a link down below. You can check it out down there. Feel free to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.